Hey friend, this is Subhas here and welcome to watching our case study video about how I made $700 just one single day using our strategy. So if you want to learn step by step everything about what I did, then I have a special gift for you. I have developed my own course. It is $97 course. Let's share with you, and you can see I have made a commission. Just refresh it, and $721 just one single day. And if you want to learn exact method, then you can click the description below if you're watching on YouTube, and you will get a sign up form, and you can put your email and name, and you can create your account there, and you will get completely free of cost access. This is $97 course where I have explained everything about how you can do and everything. Okay, but if you want to know about how I made this kind of commission, then bear with me, and I'll going to share everything. Okay, so what I did basically, I'm struggling affiliate marketing from a long times, and I got a lot of failures and some success, but I have learned exact strategy from my mentor. And because if you do not have a mentor in affiliate marketing field and internet marketing field, then you cannot make huge money and you cannot get a success, because without mentor is not a success. So I find a mentor who teach me exact path about what I made. And also, if you want to serious about building successful affiliate marketing business, just not making some bucks and just $100 a day, just you have some money making online method you saying this, then I'm not talking all about this method. I'm talking building established long term affiliate marketing business. If you want to build, then simply click below, and if you want to my help, then I help you to building your brand, building your affiliate marketing business on one-to-one on Skype. Okay, so every support in my below. So once you click and join my email list, then you will get all support and everything, and you personally contact me on my Facebook, on Skype, if you want to build. Okay, so what I did basically, I'm promoting two kind of product. First of all, I am promoting low ticket offer, and I'm promoting high ticket offer. So low ticket offer basically making some like $100 and $200 and just $50 per day. But once I learn how I promote high ticket offer, and learning exact step by step everything, then I saw and I follow that method, then I start getting result. And this is my just one examples, and I have generated a lot of affiliate marketing high ticket income from different network. Okay, so if you want, so and I have share on here, so let's move on the screen. And here you can see what I did basically. I have find product from a lot of uh, offer available on here. If you doing make money online, which you are following, and you can choose any offer. And if you want to promote high ticket offer, then you need to go with Clickbank, and there are a lot of high ticket offer available. Okay, so any high ticket offer, you can low ticket offer you can put. So I have shared everything on my this training program, so I don't need to share about it, so it is just wasting a time on here. So our mission, and I decide, because a lot of people just asking me for helping to building their successful. So what I decide, every single day I help 10 people who seriously want to build affiliate marketing business. I help 10 people's one-to-one on Skype. I guide you how you can learn affiliate marketing and how you can build your affiliate marketing business, and full support on Skype. So if you are serious and you have a success mind and you're passionate about building a business, then feel free to contact me and click the link below, and you can go to access our course, and you will learn everything from scratch. And contact me on Skype, where I will share every secret what I know about affiliate marketing and everything. And you will I personally guide you to achieving your success, because a lot of people just bought a lot of product but they did not get any success, because 40% knowledge is required to building up your online business, and 60% you need to support. Without support you cannot build any business in the online field. So you get my support and you will learn full training, then you can definitely build and you can make a lot of affiliate commission. Okay, so this is just little bit short video and I hope you understand. Simply click the link below and go to access now, and contact me on Skype and I'll supporting you to building your success, and you will definitely get success if you follow exact method which I'm teaching on inside of member area and getting our support. So thanks for watching, and I will meet you any another great lesson to saying some new skills. So make sure hit the subscribe button, because on daily basis I am going to upload some premium content and you will get notification every single day. So thanks for watching and I will meet you any another great lesson. Thank you.